My India, my pride. How much do we know about our flag? Let's see. Our national flag is a horizontal tricolor flag with saffron at the top, white in the middle, green at the bottom in equal proportions. In center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. The flag has to be displayed in the ratio 2:3, width is to length. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan described the significance of color and chakra of the national flag. The saffron indicates the strength and courage of the country. The white middle band indicates peace and truth with Dharma Chakra. The green shows the fertility, growth, and auspiciousness of the country. The national flag can be made of hand-spun, hand-woven wool, cotton, or khadi silk bunting. Only these materials. These are the standard sizes in which the flag can be displayed and used. This is the correct way to display the flag in horizontal and vertical manner. When displayed with other countries' flag, our flag has to be placed like this. A flag procession goes like this. Now let's see what all we can do with our flag. Our national flag may be hoisted in educational institutions to inspire respect the national flag. A member of public, private, or an educational institution may hoist the flag on all days with dignity and honor of the national flag. All citizens can fly the flag on their premises. Now let's see what all we should not do with our flag. Our flag cannot be used for communal gains, drapery, or clothes. As far as possible, it should be flown from sunrise to sunset. Our flag cannot be intentionally allowed to touch the ground or floor or tail in water. It cannot be draped over the hood, top, and signs or back of vehicles, trains, boats, or aircrafts. No other flag or bunting can be placed higher than the flag. Also, no object including flowers or garlands or emblems can be placed on or above the flag. The tricolor cannot be used as a feston, rosette, or bunting. The flag shall not be displayed saffron down. The flag shall not be used to cover a speaker's desk. The flag shall not be displayed or fastened in any manner that may damage the flag. And here comes the journey of our national flag. This is our first flag hoisted in 1906 and she in 1907. Our flag used during the Home Rule movement in 1917. Here comes the unofficially adopted flag of 1921. Here comes the flag that we adopted in 1931. And here comes our present tricolor flag of India. Our flag is a symbol of national pride. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.